SuperMindz. Let's learn to draw a house. First, bring a rectangle and fill it green for the ground. Then, use another rectangle to create the body of the house. For the roof, use a triangle. Use a rectangle to create the door. Use an oval to create the knob. Now, use a square with round corners and a straight line to create the window. Now, fill in with the colors you like. Now, using pen tool, create clouds. Using similar tool, make grass. Add a sun using oval and fill in with yellow. And there you have it, a super easy way to draw a house. If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.